Hello there. Welcome. In this quick meditation, we're going to take a moment to check in with ourselves, calm our minds, and release some tension. You deserve a little break from your day to focus on yourself. Let's start by getting nice and comfortable. Feel free to sit or lie down, whichever is most comfortable for you. Some even find it comforting to place their hands over their heart. Now that you're comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. Let's slow down and calm our minds by focusing on our breath. Slowly take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. When you breathe in, feel your belly and ribs expand as they slowly fill with air. Deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. One more time. Deep breath in through your nose and let it out. Continue to breathe. Imagine you are inside of a giant, gently floating bubble. Inside this bubble is joy, relaxation, and safety. Nothing bad can enter your bubble. You are completely protected. Fill your bubble with things that make you feel happy and calm. Your favorite smells, your favorite memories, your favorite sounds. This is your bubble. It's only for you. Make it your safe place. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe in all the goodness surrounding you in your bubble. And let it out. Continue to breathe. Every time you breathe in, more and more of the goodness surrounding you is filling your lungs and warming your heart. And every time you breathe out, any stress or worries immediately exit your bubble. There's only room for good in your bubble. Sometimes we unknowingly hold on to tension in our bodies, and that's okay. Let's release some of that tension. Relax your forehead and unfurrow your eyebrows. Release and relax your jaw. Lower and relax your shoulders and back. Relax your arms, hands, and fingers. Relax your chest and stomach. And relax your legs, feet, and toes. Now, your whole body feels lighter. Every time you breathe in, feel your body becoming more and more relaxed. Continue to breathe in all the goodness surrounding you in your bubble. Take this time to enjoy how relaxed you feel. Continue to focus on all the calming things you filled your bubble with. The smells, the memories, the sounds, this is your time to feel completely at peace in the safety of your bubble. Let's take one last deep breath in together. This time, feel free to smile as you breathe in. Ready? Deep breath in. And let it out. Now open your eyes. You're all done now. Thank you for taking time to relax with me today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more relaxing content.